4 p.m. update. 3% chance of showers tomorrow. Yeah. Checking each strip log, wrap, and namness. Each strip log and wrap generally have the same idea, some kind of generally moderate to heavy showers, possible even a thunderstorm coming through during the late afternoon or the evening hours. Generally between 4 p.m. to 7, 8 the latest. Though Namnest has generally nothing, just some scattered development to our south and west. But also last time I checked, and Euro also has very isolated development to our east, south, and north, not west. In generally roll the dice, we'll probably end up with a thunderstorm threat tomorrow, or at least not be in it, but on the edge of it with our biomechanics outlook, but we'll see. Still, fog patches possibly tonight, but it's 8 degrees, 18 degrees, and the dew point's only 12, so it's a lot of catching up to do. Anyways, there you guys go. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, this is all I gotta show. We're in minor alert threat for 50 millimeters of rain per hour and 70k wind gusts possible. Yep. Nothing else to show because Environment Canada doesn't have a thunderstorm threat yet. Or doesn't, period. And yeah. Environment Canada's 7-day doesn't have anything else other than for stuff today, and Wednesday doesn't have anything either, anything good. There's showers in the 8 to 14-day period, which I really could care less about. And for some reason they're predicting 33-degree weather, which I highly doubt will actually happen. But yeah, there you guys go. I'll see you guys at the 11 o'clock update for Environment Canada. And possibly the outlook from Environment as well. The 11 a.m. update. Let's give a thunderstorm 2 to 8 p.m. Seems about on par with when the initiation is expected to start and when it's probably going to end. It's pretty on par. Yeah. I don't think there's going to be a new outlook either, but I'll make sure to show you guys it if there is one. Yeah. See how this one turns out. Looks slightly promising, but yeah. These 30% never typically go well. But since it's August, we'll see. It's the first time we gotten a 30% chance in this kind of format in August. Showing you guys outside just a moment, but no line of showers coming in right now. Slight bit of intensity strength. Slight bit of it's maintained strength, but intensified. But yeah, this is what H-Triple was basically saying for today. Looks like we may get a little bit more though. Looks like this may just skim right by to our north, to our southeast, possibly. Depends how far it extends northwest. But yeah, one more loop, then 2 more loops, and I'll show you guys outside. Here's how it looks. It's not bad looking, but I mean, definitely doesn't look like a storm. It looks like it's just gonna be a shower. Yeah. Alright, let's take a look down here. It's still cumulus, but it seems like the high clouds are being dickwads and kind of just shutting off the instability, basically capping, quite awesome. But it doesn't look too bad. It looks better on the webcam, but I won't show it. Just why the hell? Yeah, that's how it looks. Alright, cumulus to our east. New storm development far to our southwest, and showers coming in from the southwest.
Triple gets a C plus for at least saying this was gonna happen a lot earlier than Environment Canada did. Yeah. Starting to rain, a little bit breeze as well. Nothing else is coming, this is it. No shower threat for tomorrow from Environment Canada, but we'll likely see that change tomorrow. I mean, there'll be at least a chance of showers tomorrow. Yep, that's how it is. It's gonna be like this. Probably for the next few days. Maybe next day or so. Next day or two, max. Yeah. Pretty weak thunderstorm threat. It was like that from the start, quite honestly. So. Triple always overdoes the convection here. So. Yeah, show you guys the new forecast. It's not like it means much, but eh. New forecast, all it is 60% chance added till just off 8 to 5 o'clock, and then 6 to 8 still 30%. Nothing for tomorrow, but this mainly Sunday is already a sign. Still a risk of a thunderstorm. I'll show you guys the radar loop. It's not obviously that impressive, but I mean it's there. Might get like a few extra scattered showers later, maybe. At best. Still got a few storms going on up here. A new one developing right there. Nothing too significant. It's pretty typical to see most of the stuff happen up here. Happen on like right here. And then nothing happens here, and then it goes all here. All good here. Anyways, there you guys go. I'll see you guys later with either, I guess, a new radar update whenever that's needed. New radar update. So we got this down here. Looks like it's trying to push up, but it won't push up in time. Now we got new little showers developing right there. You can see them. There we go. So those things right there. Got a bunch of crap happening up there too. No storms today, but I do see probably maybe a moderate shower coming in. Probably come from this one over here. Yep. No lightning coming from this either, so not a bigness. So no showers. That all fell apart before I got here. And everything else blew up as soon as it passed by, conveniently enough. Fuck. Oh, I'm quite honestly done. Let's see what OZH Triple R brings for tomorrow. OZ NAM and Euro. I already checked Euro. Seems like most stuff tomorrow will be east, but wouldn't be surprised if a thunderstorm or two develops just to our south. Yeah. So it is. It's looking pretty bleak that we won't get a thunderstorm this August, but we'll see. Still lots of time. I believe one of the models suggests a negatively tilted trough, which typically means it's a good chance of some severe weather out of it. So, around the 19th, so in 6 days, but we'll see. Anyways, I will see you guys with the next needed update. Radar update. So, this is all I'm going to show. Apparently there's a risk of a thunderstorm this afternoon. From 2 to 30%. I don't know why, but I guess I'll take it. Outlook doesn't even put us in a thunderstorm threat, so a minor risk I should say, so I'll take it, I guess. Let's see what ends up happening. Check the radar here. Nothing yet. I think everything's going to stay east and north, but we'll see. Like I said, unexpected thunderstorm threat, we'll see what ends up happening. The radar's been looking. We had something going right there, but it's not anything anymore.
Just another 30-second leave, because why the hell not? Might get some showers, but I mean, that's what I said about that before, and nothing happened, so. Looks like it's gonna be one of those summers that's gonna be still dry-ish, but cooler. Or overall, more seasonal than usual. Comparatively to other years, other summers. But yeah, you guys go.
Nothing special, just this. Another August dud. Fun. The weather network now has a 60% chance of a thunderstorm Wednesday evening. I've been checking Euro, GFS, NAM, 3 kilometer, all those. Kind of split. There is definitely a sign there's going to be some kind of cold front, but NAM and GFS, I can't really tell. But it definitely seems like some kind of cold front moves through during the mid-afternoon hours and leaves behind this. So this, during the mid-afternoon hours, like 2-3 o'clock. More like 1 to 3 o'clock. And then leaves some stratiforming behind it. It seems, well, more than likely, maybe a little bit of a back-end thunderstorm. And here it is in the 14-day form. Right here, 70% chance. I don't know if it says A. Yep, A thunderstorm. And yeah, Wednesday is now in the bag. And as you can tell, nothing else special other than that. There you guys go. I'll keep you guys posted on this. I'll probably give an update tomorrow. On that note, I'll see you tomorrow. Current forecast, and now it's a 40% chance tomorrow. 6% chance overnight. Still got the Friday thing going. Still kind of got Saturday, but temperatures stay consistently pretty low. 24 degrees. Low mid-20s. It's pretty unknown of August unless it's smoky. But yeah, it's almost. It should be out momentarily, but I'll show you guys as soon as it comes out. If it's needed, if it's the same thing, like it is now, I won't bother. But there you guys go. I'll see you guys in a bit, possibly. Yes, they've upgraded it. 40% chance of showers in the afternoon with the risk of a thunderstorm. There we go. We're getting somewhere. There we go. Wednesday is a thunderstorm threat now. Ooh, here we go. Cold front moves through tomorrow afternoon sometime. Probably during the mid-late afternoon hours. Here it is. Let's go check it out. When does it start? Oh, well, can't even see it yet. Since it says afternoon, it's probably around 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. It starts up. But yeah, there you guys go. Just like I promised, show you guys the update if anything changed. And air changes now pretty goddamn good. Yep. I mean, it's not the most impressive 70% chance, but I mean, there's at least a 70% chance for 6 p.m. tomorrow. But yeah, here we go. Got ourselves a little thunderstorm threat tomorrow. When Nurk's back on it. And yeah, there we go. Can we close off? Can we get a nice little Wednesday stormy day? I don't know what to consider it. Yeah, maybe we'll get something, who knows? Maybe a little bit of a wind action, maybe a line, maybe a little bit of storms, who knows right now? Namnest still has that line developing basically on us, so cold front's still there from Namnest. It's not the greatest, but I mean, I'll take it. They keep storms well below 45 dBs in, but I mean, there could still be that isolated strike or two around when it arrives. And here's the temperatures. Head back to school on this day here, so it's 2 weeks. 2 more weeks and I'm back at school. That's a great start. And yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys at the 4 p.m. update, likely. So, yep. There you guys go. It's now a 60% chance in the evening with the risk of a thunderstorm now as well. So it goes. Yeah, that's how it's going. Not much really different. I can show you guys a little bit of the hourly for tomorrow as well. No, it doesn't go from 1 actually. Goes from 12 to 4 p.m. and then onward probably to like 11 o'clock. I believe that's the whole entire evening. No, 10 o'clock. But yeah, there you guys go. We'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. I'm going to show. It's a pretty crappy forecast. So this is how it is. It's just 4 to 6 p.m. 4 p.m. it's 4 to 5, it's 40, and then at 6 p.m. it's 70. It basically says right there and then that the cold front, it's conveniently around the time the cold front starts sweeping in. So maybe we'll get some kind of linear action, maybe, I don't know. But only a 3-hour thunderstorm threat now, and the outlook doesn't even have as a minor risk even, so it's pretty sad. I'm going to wait to see at the 11 a.m. update if I have to show it or not. If it isn't updated to be good, I won't show it, but either way I'll be showing you guys 11 a.m. update forecast. But yeah, cold front still expected to be probably arriving at around 5 p.m. Possibly a little bit earlier, possibly a tad bit later. So yeah, my best guess is this thunderstorm threat's more so for the cold front sweeping in rather than just a general thunderstorm threat. I guess we'll see. See you guys at the 11 a.m. update. That's the sign of we've lost it for August. Now it's just a 60 to 70% chance of whoopee ding showers. Cold front apparently moves to at 5, but at this rate, it seems like the cold front is going to be a semi-line. This rate. Radar right now is as impressive as I would expect it to be for August. In other words, it looks pretty much like garbage. We'll know when the cold front's moving through, when everything starts lining out. Especially if we already have this going on, we'll know because it'll start lining out and come this way. Cold front's still way back here. But yeah, there you guys go. I'll see you guys whenever it's needed. Whenever an update's needed, I mean. Okay, the newest radar update's out. It's 12:31.
It might be blowing out right this way. We'll see. We'll see what ends up happening.
Slightly windier now. Still way back in there. Haven't checked the radar yet. About to check it in a minute here. Winds are slowly kicking up though a little bit. We'll see.
So this is how the radar looks now. This is coming in. It's still a decent intensity. But I think it'll just miss us. But I mean, we got this leading edge here. Might most likely will hit. As we have known, before we have gotten prefrontal rainfall that then got pushed out by the actual cold front. So we may get some. This may be just some prefrontal stuff, or this will be just all we get today. We either just get prefrontal stuff, which is this stuff, or we'll get both the prefrontal stuff and the frontal stuff. We'll see. The frontal stuff's not supposed to happen till around between basically when the 70% starts. Basically till like 5-6 o'clock. So we'll see. Gotta put my rain gauge out and I'll see you guys a little later. And this is how it is looking now. So it's still coming in. Some stuff back there. Not in the heavy stuff yet, but we'll be entering it shortly. Yeah. There's nothing else behind it. I don't know what's happening. I mean, there's a better chance this evening, so I don't know. We'll see. New radar update has it a lot more like the line. It's going to come in pretty heavily. Check the recent triple runs. It seems like maybe some stuff behind it may help. Like back here once it passes through, but that's at best. I don't think we get much from this cold front other than this prefrontal crap. So, yeah. Nice.
Always hitting my window. And it looks like the rain's finally picked up and the winds are picking up too. Mind my own business. I just hear rain keep hitting my window. Nah. Rain's finally here though. A little bit of a nice southerly wind. The rain's picking up. I'd say based off of current tree movement and flag, I'm going to guess about 30 to 40 gusts. Maximum. I was wondering what the hell was hitting my window. That plane's arriving in fast. Yeah. Just wondering what that hocus pocus was about. It's just really it's moderate rainfall with some gusty winds. Seems like it's fairly dead now anyways. As we have known, this area is surprisingly good for the overhang. Whew! Drops again. There we go. More August rainfall. When was the last time I could say that where it rained? Not once, not twice, but 3 times in August. Counting that one day where it rained the whole entire day. Then then it progressed a little past 12 a.m. Produced like a trace of rainfall, but counts as rain. Second 2 days of rainfall. Yeah. As you can tell, things have gone south and north of us. And as per usual, the cold front is barely noticeable, only noticed by wind change. Yeah. I'm so happy. Yeah. There's that line I was talking about earlier as well. Behind it is like that too. It's little cool things. And here's the periods of rain forecasted for Friday. Temperature has also increased from 19 to 22. 23, 22, 26, 27. Yeah. Basically, the rest of this week is going to be cooler or at least seasonal, like Thursday. But, yeah. Just overall, this is more typical of like June-ish weather. Whatever. See you guys tomorrow. Possibly. For the 11 a.m. update, it was initially cloudy, periods of rain beginning in the night and the morning, but now it's changed to showers. Seems more appropriate considering what I saw yesterday. Temperatures stay relatively cool, mid, possibly just touching the high 20s. But those nighttime lows, sheesh, only 9 degrees, 10 degrees. It's definitely a sign fall's coming around. But yeah, not much else to say. I'll see what the weather network has, and I don't think it's anything good. New forecast. So we got localized 5 to 10 millimeters of rainfall for tomorrow. Not bad. Not too shabby. It's beneficial. And then they have now also changed Sunday to 30% chance of showers, which will probably slowly get more and more upgraded as it gets closer. Wouldn't be surprised if it changes to something like this. Maybe just have to localize 5 to 10. But yeah, a little bit of rain tomorrow. It probably goes right till 4 or 5 o'clock. Yeah, you guys go. I will see you guys tomorrow.
I was not expecting this. Well, I mean, I saw you were waiting for thunderstorms for us, but I never thought it would be legit. But I guess it is now. I mean, A4 was slowly showing it more like thunderstorms too. I guess they caught on minor risk of thunderstorms today. Oh, that is despite the fact that the current forecast is just showers. Right now it's still localized 5 to 10. So, yeah, it's not really... It's a bit confusing, but yeah. This is how it currently looks right now, though. Massive wad of rain coming in right now. I don't know if that's... Yeah, a massive wad of rain's coming in, so... Yeah, it's gonna get a little heavy here in a minute. I gotta get that rain gauge up pretty quickly here. But yeah, minor risk for thunderstorms today. Yeah, was not expecting that. Well, I wasn't expecting Environment Canada to say this. So if 11 a.m. shows a thunderstorm threat, then they are going to keep it for the 11 a.m. Outlook update if they do decide to update it. But yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys either at the 11 a.m. update or sometime before that. So new updates out. They haven't updated the Outlook, but no thunderstorm threat. They have a 30% chance of showers for tomorrow at least, and they still have showers all day today, localized 5 to 10, all the way till 5 a.m. Shower threat. And yeah, I am a little confused, but I guess that'll work.
Yeah. Still some fog patches before morning, possible. And here's the radar. It came in kind of like a line, and I don't know, something else is going to, I have to assume something else develops, because if there's a complete showers possible all day today, and there's no showers, so I mean there's a 30% chance here, but there's an 80 here, and it looks like it's just going to end up like that. But I don't know. We'll see though. That's how it is. If the outlook does get updated, I will show you guys it, but if it doesn't, I guess I won't. Yeah. There you guys go. I will see you guys later with some kind of update, I guess.
This is how the radar is looking. So, as expected, most of the things are staying south, but there is some scattered shower development right here. That might turn into something, I'm not 100% sure, but so far the biggest, heaviest stuff staying south. But this may join the party, but it seems fairly scattered and weak. Too scattered and weak, isolated and weak, I should say, to do anything like this. No lightning's being detected on it, so I wasn't expecting a thunderstorm today, and I don't know why they even issued a minor risk, but take what you can take. I guess I could take what I can take. But yeah. There you guys go. Just give it a little bit here. Probably one more loop. There you guys go. 4 p.m. update. We removed the 30% chance for Saturday. They will likely return to Sunday and or Saturday one as well. And here is the current radar. I'll just show this real quick. And there. Got that. Just gonna slice by us right there. But not much more than that. There you guys go. I'll show you guys outside in just a moment. And yeah.
Here's a shower that's coming in. Well, possibly coming in. Pretty dark looking for what it is, which is literally nothing. Let's get a little bit of a wider angle. We can get one down here. Tad bit wider, not too much wider. But yeah, there you go. I may go on a deck later as well, but we'll see about that one. There you guys go. Dark looking shower passing by. Yep. And here it is. Siren. You actually made it. Decent little rainfall. Oh, here we go. It's actually getting pretty heavy. Whew. A nice little moderate heavy rainfall here. Wow. Pretty darn nice rainfall. There's our localized 5 to 10 in one bunch. Whew, no breeze associated with it. Eee. Cold. Yeah. A little quick bit of a downpour there. Well, for a moment. Slowed down pretty quickly now. Not bad. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I'll take it. I'll be glad to take this. I still... Yeah. Quick moment of a little downpour there. Can't say I don't like it. Here's what came over. Or partially at least. Partially as in some of this could have just sliced by us, now it's over here. Yeah. Little rainfall. It was a quick moment of a considered downpour. I'm gonna guess when I check the radar later, not right now. It's probably gonna be a decent intensity when it was over us. Yeah. I was expecting it to slice to our south, but I guess it just sliced enough to our north. Just got far north enough. Yeah. See where it's a localized 5 to 10. Oh. Guess we'll be chilling in the rain just a little bit longer here. Not surprised. I mean, I guess this is good enough for a minor-esque, I guess. Couldn't have asked for more. I was expecting a bust and a half, but I mean, at least we got some kind of little downpour, and we got it. We got it. There we go. There's our localized 5 to 10 for today. And possibly some extra later on, possibly. I don't know. Maybe another extra shower or two, maybe. But yeah, there you guys go. I'll show you guys the radar in a few minutes. How the radar looks now, so it's skimmed right by. Barely skimmed, and then this might be just slicing by, but there is extra stuff below it that may skim by. But it seems like it may just skip to our north. But once again, it may be just a slice like this one. Who knows? But yeah. Can't tell, but I think it might be blowing to the east and not going north. A slight northeast. Yeah, this looks like it may be going more east than northeast, but we'll see. I think it's going more northeast. Either way, that's how it's looking. Yeah. There's a quick little 30-second clip of the Raiders these past 3 hours. Yeah, I believe, yeah. 3 hours. And now apparently, I'll show that in a minute, I guess. Even though I showed it earlier, I'll show it again just as a reminder, I guess. Maybe before morning, so it's very clearing late this evening. So before morning, I guess that'd be sometime here. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, possible, if the forecast is good. Here we go. Knew they would bring it back. 60% chance of showers tomorrow morning, 30% tonight, or more tomorrow night, to be honest, because it starts at 2 a.m., so technically tomorrow morning, and then throughout the morning it's a 60% basically, but it starts off as 30. There's that. And then the weather that was forecast isn't too shabby. Come on. No, there's no network technical issues. Here we go. So here's Sunday morning. It has that for the overnight hours as well. Here's Thursday. This. And here is next week when I'm back at school. And this will be something. Imagine getting a bunch of storm threats right when you get back to school. That will suck absolute. This absolute suck. And yeah, that's how it's looking. Though there is a chance the teachers may go on strike, so I don't know. But there you guys go. I will see you guys at the 4 p.m. update, possibly. The thing about this is I can't feel this breeze because it's getting. The breeze is stopping it. The trees, I mean, the trees. The trees are stopping it from coming through here. Ooh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Wow, here we go. Come on. Breeze coming from behind me, like per usual. Oof. It's a pretty consistent breeze. I'd say these are about 40s. Gusts are definitely approaching 50. Yeah. You know, don't know if you saw that. It's typically hard to see those little tiny things, but what's that noise? Good sign maybe for a good gust coming in, huh? Might be. Oh, maybe it was. Woo! Whoa! Solid gust. Whoa! Whoa! Holy Christ! Yeah, it was a good sign. That was definitely 50 right there. Not right here, but wow. Those were 100% 50s right there. Wow. Guess that was a good sign for something. There's another good guess. Oh, shut up. Camera. I didn't go as planned. Come on. Ooh. Oh, 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 oh. The sign's gonna go off. The sign's gonna come off. It's gonna fall off. This guy yanked out. The sign's gonna go flying if we get a good wind from behind again. Look at that, look at that, here we go. Oh yeah, here we go. Good gusts coming in. I'll shut up now. Power lines howling. Woo. That was a decent period of wind there. Whoa! Yeah, winds are getting really going. Jesus. That was a gust and a half. Ah, stuff got my eye. Sign, pedestrian sign down there is slowly swinging back and forth there. Woo. Here's what I'm talking about, come on. Holy crap, look at that. Wow, winds from behind. I'm looking all around right now. Yeah. See the pollen coming off the trees. These are approaching 60, possibly even, I guess. Here we go. I should never said they were dying. Definitely looks like they're crazy. Holy crapperoo. Jeez. Jeez, these are really picking up. They're a lot less frequent, but they're picking up. I just love this quarter. Tempted to. Wow. Garbage can is still standing. Jesus. What's it take for that thing to fall? Everything else is bending like crazy. That thing's barely moving. Shaking, I should say. Whew. There's some power lines again. Their minor risk, their thunderstorm outlook came out earlier today sometime. They have a minor risk that kind of just skims along like here and then up, kind of just misses us. It's just for 50k wind gusts associated with isolated thunderstorms, so I mean, we don't even need a thunderstorm, we're getting like 50-60 km/h wind gusts anyways, so. But yeah, thought I'd just mention that. And yeah, see you guys later. A 4 p.m. update, likely, so. Likely. Or a wind update, one too. New forecast has us now at a 60% chance all of tomorrow except for 12 to 1 p.m. for some reason. But yeah. The winds were at 50k, gusts were at 50k at 3 p.m. But, yeah. And nothing's coming, so I'm not even gonna show it. There you guys go. See you guys later. Radar. Alright, let's go. Current radar right now. No storm up there, and we got hit by a little bit of rain earlier. As you can see there, right about there. And then, yeah. Oop, paused on accident.
And yeah, and then it seems like these are gonna break up. They're already breaking up. Looks like it's just gonna be a fairly cloudy day, maybe with the slightest chance of a shower. If there was such thing as a 20% for these shower threats, well, shower potential, I would think this would be more than appropriate for it. But yeah, anyways, yeah.
Generally, how it's been looking all day. Well, showers hanging around. Poofy, very low top cumulus all around. This might come and produce a little bit of a shower. See some fog down there, rain. Not much else. Nice little base down there. Doesn't mean anything, but nice to know. It's nice looking down here too. That base is looking mighty sexy right there. It's getting a bit of light exposed to it, obviously. So, wow, it actually does look pretty nice. Too bad I don't have my other camera with me, and I'm about to have supper, dinner, anyways. So, and yeah, there you guys go. I will see you guys later. This went right through part of the escort right there. It's cool. Probably see plenty more of those later today. A little bit of cumulus connection going on, so yeah.